Wait, before you throw away that lemon, let me show you something amazing. Just one lemon can unlock explosive plant growth, and hardly anyone is talking about this powerful garden secret. To make this all-natural lemon fertilizer, you'll need 1 ripe lemon, 1 liter of clean water, a knife, 1 teaspoon of sugar to boost microbial action. 1. Cut the lemon in half and squeeze out the juice into 1 liter of clean water. 2. Mix in 1 teaspoon of sugar to feed good microbes. 3. Stir well and let it sit for 2 to 3 hours. Lemon juice is naturally rich in citric acid, vitamin C, calcium, and trace minerals. It also helps balance soil pH, boost root strength, and fight harmful bacteria in the soil. Pour directly near the plant roots. Avoid leaves. Ideal for herbs, flowers, leafy greens, and indoor plants. Apply once every 10 to 15 days. Look at the results: deeper green leaves, stronger stems, and faster growth. All thanks to the natural power of just 1 lemon. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful gardening hacks.